Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to replace the headband on Sennheiser HD600. Those are my old Sennheiser HD600 headphones. I got them maybe 12 years ago, or maybe more, I don't remember. And the headband is made from plastic. Plastic ages with time, so this headband, as you can see, it cracked. And yeah, if I will extend it, it will just separate into pieces. So we're going to replace this headband with a newer one, which I got quite cheap. I think it's a either refurbished unit or from a different broken headphones. It has a new design, so compared to the previous one, you can see that the color is quite different. This is the original HD600, and this is the newer style that HD600 is coming in now. But it doesn't matter, they will fit anyway. And next to that, I'm going to replace the ear cups. So the ear cups from this side, this is still the original velour one from Sennheiser. I will replace the ear cups pillows themselves and also the internal foam, the one that protects drivers from all kind of dust and elements and things like this. And I'm going to use Dekoni audio. I know this brand. They're quite cheap, but I have no complaints about them. They still serve me quite good on my other headphones. They are quite sturdy, so I hope that they will fit well. And the internal foam is just a simple foam from Amazon. This one is from geekria, but that's not really important. I think all of them are quite good quality in terms of that. Well, it doesn't really matter for this kind of foam. It's just to protect the drivers from all kind of dust and things like this. So anything will fit really. And well, of course, if it's still a foam and not something like leather. Actually, the Dekoni ones were quite cheap. I will put the price on the screen because the original pads from Sennheiser are pricey. I don't think they give much difference compared to this one's sonically. Same with this headband. It's not the original headband. It's not new. It's, as I said, from a refurbished unit or probably from a broken headphones. So I kind of gave it a second life in that case. Okay, so now that we've covered the introduction, let's go and see how we can replace the headband and put the new ear cups on. All right, guys, let's start. Here we have our original HD600 and the new replacement headband. So first of all, yeah, to easy do all kind of operations, just yank out the contacts of the headphones themselves. Just pull them directly out and we'll put them somewhere here. Now for the how to take off the original headband, you kind of pull the headband like this, and if you will see, then the sides of the ear cups of the headband can go right off. So then you can just pull them off like this. As you can see, they are off here. So now you can sort of pull them off. Just don't break the headphone itself. And here we have it. So here we took it off, and this is the original headband. And now we do it the same with the right one. Yep, and now it's out. So now here we have our ear cups, our ears, the old headband. So, well, we'll throw it away now. And now we are going to put the new one on. All right, so the ear cups and the new headband. So now we kind of do the same. Now we kind of do the same on one side. So put it in here, put from the other side, and it slides right in, as you can see. And then from the other side. Yep. And here we go. And there we have it. The new headband. Okay, now it's time to replace the ear cups. The ear cups. So we have our Dekoni ear cups. As you can see, there is this plastic ring around the ear cup, and what you do is you take out the previous ear cup and then you just put in the new one, just force it in the ear cup and it will sort of click in. So let's try to do that. Okay, so as you can see, you just sort of take it out like this. This is the old ear cup. As you can see, this is the same construction here, and you got your the old foam. A good idea now, if you have time, is to take the air, push, and just remove all the debris that you have here. Yeah, and then clean it up so that you can put the new foam on the driver. So then you put the new foam in like this. Fits right in, and then you can just put the new ear cup in like this, and then you kind of need to push onto it. So don't press on the mesh here, on the metal mesh. Just grab it like this on the sides, and then push it right in. And then if you heard that, it just clicked in. And that's another click. Now it's in. As you can see, that's the difference with the old and new ones. As you can see, the old one really went flat here. So let's do with the other cup now. And yeah, put it back in. I would say don't be afraid to really push it in, but of course gently, right? So push it with your finger so that you can feel that it goes into this small area where this rim should go in. And here we go. And now we have both of new earbuds on, and our quite comfortable. Of course, I'll have to give it a listen until I will actually see if there is no difference with the normal HD600, the previous Earcups, but I don't expect any much difference. It's very similar construction, also velour, also very nice, soft, and generally pleasant to wear. So now we need to put back the old cables, so just quickly check the angles. As you can see, it's angled forward, so make sure that the red one goes into the right. Oh, didn't really get in there. Yep. Now it got in, and then the left one. So there are letters left and right, so you will not make a mistake. Yep. And that's it. So basically like 10 minutes, and well, even faster if you don't need to explain what you're doing. And then you have yeah, a new headband and new nice clean Earcups, velour Earcups from Dekoni Audio or whatever you will buy. Okay, so now let's give it a listen. Well, sounds amazing, to be honest. I don't hear any differences with the normal HD600. I obviously feel difference with the new headband. It is very tight. The new headbands for HD600 are very tight, so-called clamp force. So I actually can feel that how tight it clamps on my head, but that is to be expected. Normally it will ease up after some listening months. Depends on how often you will put them on your head, of course. Very comfortable. Yeah, no problems with the headband itself. The ear cups are very soft and plush. I really like them as well. So Dekoni, as I said, I used them before, so I know that they make good headphones, headphone ear cups. So I definitely recommend them. But I'm pretty sure that there are many similar brands that make good ear cups as well. So if you're considering buying a replacement for your pair, I would recommend you to scout a bit for a replacement, not necessarily going for the original ones, unless you really want to have the original Sennheiser replacements. Yeah, and keep the music going and keep your headphones alive. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.